Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to show ads on specific devices in Google Ads. This is particularly useful when you want to target users on mobile, desktop, or tablet exclusively, helping you optimize your ad spend and reach the right audience on the devices that matter most for your campaign. To get started, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, look at the left navigation bar and locate the Campaigns menu. Click on it to proceed to the next stage of the setup. You'll now be directed to the campaign's overview page where you can see a summary of all your active and paused campaigns. At the top of this page, you'll notice several tabs including Ad Groups. Click on the Campaigns tab to ensure you're viewing the full list of campaigns in your account. This is where you'll select the specific campaign you want to configure for device targeting. Now, to configure which specific devices your ads will appear on, scroll through your list of campaigns and locate the one you wish to adjust. Once you've found it, look for the gear icon next to that campaign and click on it. This gear icon represents the settings menu and is your gateway to customizing how your ads are delivered. From the Ad Settings page, you'll see several configuration options. Look for the Additional Settings drop-down and click on it to expand the menu. This section contains more advanced targeting and scheduling features that give you greater control over your campaigns. From the expanded options, locate and click on Devices. By default, Google Ads is set to show your ads on all eligible devices, which includes desktops, mobile phones, and tablets. However, since you want to target specific devices, you'll need to change this setting. Click on the radio button next to Set Specific Targeting for Devices. Once you select this option, an additional menu will appear, displaying checkboxes for different device types. Here, you can choose exactly which devices you want your ads to appear on. Simply click on the checkboxes next to the devices you want to target. For example, if you only want your ads to show on mobile devices, select that option and leave the others unchecked. This level of control ensures your budget is spent showing ads to users on the platforms that align with your campaign goals. Once you've selected the specific devices for your ad targeting, click on Save. Your changes will be applied immediately, and from this point forward, your ads will only display on the devices you've chosen. This targeted approach can significantly improve your campaign performance by focusing on the devices where your audience is most active. And that's it. You've successfully configured device-specific targeting for your Google Ads campaign, giving you more precise control over where your ads appear. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.